guys, this is your host again Akshita from DHC New Homes, and today we are here at Chembur West. Luxury redefined at Sandhu Vasudev Bhavan is ready for fit outfit. Prime location, one of the prime location at Chembur's prestigious address near Chembur Jain Mandir and Sandhu Gardens. Spacious residences, lavish 4 BHK units designed for your comfort and your lifestyle. Guys, this is one of the exclusive privacy for you since you'll be having only one flat per floor for an unmatched exclusivity. Ample space, each unit boasts 1756 carpet area for your 4 BHK to match all your needs and requirements. If I talk about the architectural marvel, this is your 12-story apartment, 12-story structure excluding your timeless space. Let me also come to the amazing, world-class modern amenities that they are giving you. They are giving you all level of convenient amenities, access to your ground floor, plus one commercial space for your enhanced lifestyle. You're getting lifelong of panoramic views, captivating vistas for a lifetime of enjoyment, basically. Guys, this is the timely position for this one is your RERA compliant position would be in December 2025, and your internal position begins your luxurious journey by December 24. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is one of the lifetime experience for you to enjoy this luxurious opportunity for the whole lifetime. I'm also going to take you to the sample flat of 4 BHK 1756 carpet area. If I talk about the major connectivity, or if you say the major USPs of the project, that is your location advantages. This particular project is hardly at 7 minutes of distance from your Chembur station. Now, Chembur monorail is 8 to 7 minutes of walkable distance from here. Your Suman Nagar metro station is again at hardly 10 minutes of distance from here. You have your Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road at nearly 12 minutes of distance from this location. Guys, one of the major USPs for this one is that your international airport is just at 30 minutes of distance. Legit 30 minutes you are reaching the international airport, guys. One of the best and premium project for you. Let us just go forward and explore their sample flat now. Let us just explore their luxurious sample flat of 4 BHK 1756 carpet. As you can see, I'm standing right here in their humongous living space, guys. This right here is going to be your living area, along with your beautiful sitting space. You have your center table, comes in your dining space, and your beautiful temple area right here. Then, guys, comes your modular kitchen. You have a very ample amount of space again in your kitchen area. Also, you can make the space as your dry area because you have this units given for your fridge as well as your washing machine. Your kitchen platform comes here, and then this one is your fridge unit coming. Along with that, you also have a balcony right here in your living space, guys. Let me show you the balcony space. This one is going to be your balcony for your living area. Just look at the spacious amount of balcony they have given in your living area. So basically on your left, like as soon as you enter in from here comes your kitchen, and then this is again in a butterfly structure, 2 bedrooms on both the sides. This one is going to be your master bedroom, or you can make it as your guest bedroom or your kids bedroom, and then you have enough amount of storage space here. Your wardrobe area fits in, and you also have a premium fitted washroom along with your master bedroom. Just right here is your common washroom, guys. This is your common washroom with again premium fittings installed, and this one is your master bedroom too. This is your master bedroom again, along with the French windows. You have some sittings, and then you have a attached washroom along with your master bedroom. So guys, this one is going to be your spacious washroom for your master bedroom number 2. And then as said, this is again in a butterfly structure. So in your living room, there are the 2 bedrooms, and here comes your very spacious and luxurious master bedroom number 3. Guys, this is your master bedroom. Again, just have a look at the space. Here you can easily fit a king size of bed. They have given a queen size. You have these French windows which are very beautifully obstructed right here. Comes in your dressing area. A very beautiful chair right here. Armrest chair, and then you have your storage space. So this itself looks like a living area if you see, because when you enter you also have a good foyer space wherein you can put in your more storage and can customize. This right here is their attached washroom with their luxurious master bedroom. Guys, again just have a look at the area. It's very big in size. So if I talk about the ceiling height of all the 4 bedrooms, it is 11 feet of ceiling height, guys. I don't think that any developer in Chembur is giving you 11 feet of ceiling height. They are hardly giving 9.5 or 10 feet of ceiling height, but they're offering you legit 11 feet of ceiling height. Guys, if I talk about this room, this is again your master bedroom number 4. Again, very spacious. You have your wardrobe space right here, your TV unit, and then an attached washroom along with your master bedroom. Guys, just have a look. A very premium washroom with modern fittings already installed. So guys, as said, this is the luxurious 4 BHK